So this question says, evaluate 11 minus 20 divided by 5 square minus 13 over 3 plus 8 close bracket times 2. Now don't forget I talked about the BODMAS rule, and from the BODMAS, also known as PEDMAS in this case, from the BODMAS rule, what we need to do is to prioritize the bracket. We have to prioritize everything inside this bracket. So we already have a bracket. So inside the bracket, we consider the order. So this order, from what I told you, it's talking about those terms with power, right? Those terms with power. So meaning that we have to evaluate this. Though somebody may say this is not necessary. That's true. We can quickly do the evaluation of all these ones that has powers, then we move on. So this will still give us what? 11 minus 20. Now let me make something clear. Don't be so quick to say 11 minus 20 and do the evaluation. That would be very wrong. All right, divided by 5 square would give us 25 minus what? 13 divided by 3, right, plus what? 8, right, times what? 2, right? So so let's evaluate what we have here, because it's still under the power region. So this will still give us what? 11 minus what? 20 divided by, so 25 minus 13 will give us what? 12 over what? Over 3, right? Then plus what? 8, then multiply by 2. So the next thing is, let's go straight to, we have actually evaluated the what? The order. Then the next one is what? Division. So division means that we have to prioritize this, right? So but let me say something before I proceed. If you have what? A over B divided by C over D, once you are transforming this division sign to multiplication, this will turn to what? A over B times, so D will go up while C will come down, times what? D over what? C. So that's the same thing we want to do here. We want to transform this division sign to multiplication. So this will give us what? 11 minus 20 times 3 over what? 12. Well, someone will say that, well, we can quickly do 12 divided by 3, which is 4. That's okay, but I'm strictly following the BODMAS rule. It doesn't change the fact that the answer will still be correct. Then plus 8, right, times what? 2. So if we move on, so this will now give us what? That will be what? 11 minus, so if you look at it, 20 times 3, or let me just say, I can still divide this, but let me just do that with 20 times 3, that is 60 divided by 12, right, plus what? 8, right, times what? 2. So finally we are still inside the bracket. That will be what? 11 minus, according to BODMAS rule, don't forget BODMAS, the next one is we've done the division, which we've transformed to multiplication here. So division is still appearing. So 60 divided by 12, that will give us what? 5, right, then plus 8 times 2. So we prioritize what is inside the bracket. 11 minus 5, that is 6, and 6 plus 8, that will be what? 14 into bracket what? 2. So this is the same thing as saying 14 times 2. So the answer is what? 28. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.